See ya.
I know, you're right. You got over wheel. It's got a bar on the seat. Right, put your bucket through. Got pressure of having a window next to you. Put your bucket lower, T, so if it doesn't swing in it window. Yeah. Go on, you alright? Just go forward until this is nearly at wall. Blade. You wouldn't have got in with that thing on. She's tight. Sometimes it's still a note, isn't it? I'm going to show you inspection at truck, and he's walking around truck, but obviously it's just like, what are you doing? Yeah, it's not good at all.
No, like you can't see. It's like when we have chest cam on it.
Yeah, you can't see what I'm looking at.
Yeah. You don't.
I did the officers, he needs to change the DJI because they've got that clip that clips onto a baseball cap.
Yeah.
And it's just looks like a 50p side. Oh, when did you put it out? It was like 6 hours ago or something, whatever. Oh, you need to message him. He's got like 50,000 subs, I've got 5.
You're going up though, aren't you? Well, and all that.
Good morning. Got a new job. Don't think it's a large job. I think it's more of a medium job. Originally it was going to be a large job. What we quoted for was absolutely just porcelained out everywhere. But we've just changed it. Everybody's got a budget, even though we're in the north end of Leeds where there's got really nice houses. Tom's just looking about it. Curl your bucket, yeah. Curl it away, even more. Right, there you go. Sorry, it's just an apprentice. On camera as well. Yeah, so everyone's got a budget. So this is what we're going for. So from here, coming out to here is a raised porcelain patio. So it's like going to feel like they're just stepping out with a bifold straight onto the patio. Where Tom is there, we're going to step down then. It's like raised with sleepers as well. We're going to step down then onto this patio down here. Now this patio down here now is going to be gravel and we're cutting it back to here. So this is like a 400mm raised bit. So we're going to cut it back a little bit more, only because we want a table there. So obviously when you sit on a table, it's not like being in a restaurant and you sit at a table, you sit away from the table with a beard in the garden, so we've got more space. And then we've got gravel coming all the way over and then down the side of the house to the pedestrian bit. Don't know what I'm going to do with this guy. Down the side of the house to the pedestrian bit, that's gravel as well. So really, rip out today. We're putting hardcore here as well, so we rip out today, put the sleepers in, start hardcoring up as we're going. One man's, it's only around the corner, it's a quarry from here, so one man gets that, other man starts putting sleepers in, and then it should flow nicely. It should be really nice. And then literally once this is hardcored, it's ready for gravel. Second them sleepers are done. So it is. It's a good little job. It's a good sized job. But get a rig on him. I ain't got a rig. Mine ain't like that. Just had a selfie with him and his jaw's so perfect. Look at mine. Need to work on it a little bit. Beast in it. Hungry. Anyway, let's get digging because Tom's doing all barrowing. I need to get my steps in today because I was aching yesterday because over the weekend I didn't do my steps, so my back seizes up. So I'm going to do my steps this morning and go and dig it this afternoon. Catch you soon. So this is where, edge of that flag, up there, raised patio. It's coming from the bifold across, step down towards where I'm stood now. And then that's going to be a sleeper wall across there. And then as it stands, this is going to be just gravel. And then because he's just spoke about gravelling all this side, he's on about keeping that bit in so he can run his lawnmower around to the front. But yeah, nice little job. We're just working out days and stuff. I was adamant it was Monday today. Just starting a new job, just felt like a Monday. But yeah, I think we're working weekends just to get the porcelain laid. A bit of a push for next week for a different job. Tom's off away again, just reminded me. It's after bloody Dublin this time. He were away last week. After Dublin. Anyway, whatever. New relationships about each other, trips away, don't they? Not like us now. Have you got enough money for an holiday yet? That's what it's like now. Wait until he's moved in there. Wait until he's already moved in, wait until he's lived there for a year. That'll tell him. But yeah, nice day to be honest with you. Just got to go for another half day tomorrow. I was told I'm 3 o'clock today, but I'm saying just half day tomorrow, just to finish it off, rather than rushing. And then having to come back and do it by hand. So yes, I'll see you all tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp.